Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn types of wines, which is a subject from the F&B service and the topic taken from Unit 2 Wine. Wine is an alcoholic beverage obtained from the fermentation of juice of freshly gathered grapes. Wines are broadly classified as follows: table wine or still wine, fortified wines, aromatized wines, sparkling wines. First, we are going to learn table wines or still wines. They are classified into three categories. First is red wine, second is white wine, third is rose wine. Red wines consumed more than white wines. Unlike white wines, red wines do not have varied degrees of sweetness. They are almost exclusive dry, range from light to full-bodied with distinctive taste. To produce from red wines, grapes are crushed, not pressed. Skin is left with the juice during fermentation. Contain 9 to 14% alcohol and the taste ranges from very dry to very sweet. The service temperature of red wine is 16 to 18 degrees centigrade. Here is a diagram of making red wines. Second is rose wines. These are produced exactly as red wine except that wine is drawn off from the fermenting red grapes after 2 to 3 days when enough red color has been absorbed by the wine to give it a pink tinge. They obtain 9 to 14% alcohol and the taste ranges from very dry to very sweet. The service temperature of rose wine is 13 to 16 degrees centigrade. Third is white wines. Light and delicate in flavor, goes well with seafood and lightly flavored food, as rich food overpowers their taste. The grapes are pressed and the juice is drawn off immediately without the skins into the cask for fermentation. Sweet white wines. The sugar content is very high, hence are preferred at the end of a meal. They contain 9 to 14% alcohol and the taste ranges from very dry to very sweet. The service temperature of white wine is 11 to 13 degrees centigrade. Here is a diagram of making white wine. The sparkling wines, the most famous one is champagne. This is made by the Methode Champenoise, second fermentation in the bottle in the Champagne region of northeastern France. Effervescent wines made outside the Champagne region are called sparkling wines. Sparkling wines are made in France, Spain, Italy, America, Australia, Germany, and many other countries. Sparkling wines vary in their sweetness, but very dry, sec, medium dry, demi-sec, medium sweet, deux sweet. Semi-sparkling wines are known by the term perlant. Service temperature for sparkling wine is 7 to 10 degree centigrade. The third is fortified wines. Fortified wines are strengthened by the addition of grape brandy during or after its fermentation. Principal fortified wines are sherry, port, Madeira, Marsala. Aromatized wines. Plants, herbs and spices are added to impart aroma to a wine base. The most famous aromatized wines are Vermouth and Martini. Traditionally, French vermouths are white and dry, and Italian vermouths are red and sweet. Vermouth bottles do not keep for long and therefore should be consumed young.